In this video, I'll show how to update the product release preferences in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center using your Global Administrator account. Click on the Org Settings link from the Settings menu. Here, you can see the various available services. You may have looked at those services. Click on the Organization Profile tab link. You may go through each setting available here. Look for the Release Preferences link and click on that. Release Preferences setting page opens. What we can do here is choose how your organization gets new features and service updates for Microsoft 365. The default selection is Standard Release for Everyone. Look at the text what it means. Your entire organization gets updates when we release them broadly. The next option is Targeted Release for Everyone, which means your entire organization gets updates early. The third option is Targeted Release for Select Users, which means pick people to receive updates early to preview them before they're released to everyone else. You may see various configurations available under the Security and Privacy menu. That's it. This is how you can update your organizations. Release preferences from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal.